Hey guys, this is Crazy and Tiki Pop 123. We will be doing Grand Theft Auto video for you guys, free play or whatever. So hope you guys enjoy this video.
Okay, guys, we're about to be getting in a helicopter today. So, we're about to be getting in a helicopter today to see like everything over here and everything, get places faster.
So yeah, so he'll be going in the helicopter. As you can already see, he's in the helicopter. Oh, and guys, please comment me that how do you get to Flash mod or Spider-Man mod? I need to know. I need to play those. Thank you.
No!
He's going crazy. Crashing, going up, crashing. It's daytime right now, so
It's not daytime, nighttime.
it's 11:09 right now. So if you're like watching this live, it's Sunday, 11:09 a.m. Please comment about how to get to the mods. I really need to know. Oh, he crashed.
I didn't crash. I did that now.
Looks like he's going crazy. I have different videos like Lego Batman 2 will be doing for you guys. Like how to play, I mean not how to play, but to, Amazing Spider-Man 2, Electro Epic Fight or Epic Battle. So yeah, after this we'll be doing Lego Batman 2, a mission or two, whatever, or actually free play. So
I'm about to slice the water tower. Can you guys wait to see that?
alright, so we're about to be slicing the water tower. Well, he'll be trying. I don't know if you really can, but he'll try. Oh! He just cut the wire. Only the wire. That's not a water tower.
I'm trying to get it.
He's cutting it.
Not working.
Okay, so do not try because then your helicopter will like get gassy and your engine will almost explode. So never try that because it won't work and your engine will explode. He's going down. Land on the helicopter. Try and land on the helicopter. Oh, he landed on the building, but not exactly in the middle. Well, at least he still landed. So that was pretty cool. And he just fell. Alright, Ryan. Stop. Alright, Ryan. Stop moving. Stop moving. Get out.
Let's go.
Okay, guys. Well, that is it. So please comment, subscribe, and add some likes. Like a lot of likes. I need some views, please. And comment me about how to get to the Flash mod, Spider-Man mod, and all the mods that you can ever think of. Bye.
Rat mods.
Yeah, and rap mods. So bye. Thank you. Goodbye.